Alright, welcome once again to Super Smash Bros. Brawl.
Super Smash Brothers Brawl!
Okay. Random and its final destination.
Again!
Wow.
3, 2, 1, go! You got me.
Ouch.
Oh!
Oh my goodness! That was satisfying as hell.
How was that satisfying?
No, like when I hit you with the blade on my gun, then the shot came right after that. Oh my goodness. Supposed to be the other way.
You slipped!
And then I came back. Whoa! Yeah! No! I meant for the wolf illusion. I think that's what it's called. Oh my goodness! Whoa! Nice one. Not now you're gonna try that. Damn, this is fun. I'm liking this. GG, Joey. Okay.
You say I'm a wicked damn you, I'll make a wolf cook out of you!
Hey, I already made you look like a pinball. So how are you gonna make me into wolf clothing?
Whatever.
Alright, well, we'll do another one, so I'll catch you on that.
Alright.
Bye.